In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete headers and footers from a PowerPoint slide. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate your presentation settings with ease. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation or just tidying up an existing one, removing unnecessary text from headers and footers can make your slides look cleaner and more polished. Let's get started by opening up PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have the program installed, you can download it from the official Microsoft website or use PowerPoint online in your web browser. Once PowerPoint is open, locate your specific presentation file and open it by navigating to it through the File menu or your Recent Presentations list. Make sure you're working on the correct version of your presentation to avoid making changes to outdated or incorrect slides. With your presentation now open, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a set of tabs that categorize the different tools and functions available within PowerPoint. These tabs make navigation straightforward even for beginners. For our task today, we need to focus on the Insert tab. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options for adding elements to your slides, such as pictures, charts, and of course headers and footers. Now go ahead and click on the header and footer button within the text group of the Insert tab. This action will open the header and footer dialog box, which controls the appearance of these text elements across your slides. The dialog box might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. In this window, you can choose whether to include or exclude specific information on your slides. Since our goal is to remove the footer, locate the checkboxes labelled Footer. Unchecking this box will ensure that the footer is removed from your slide. After you have modified these settings to your preference, make sure to apply the changes. If you wish to apply these settings to only the current slide, click Apply. If you want this change to apply across the entire presentation, click Apply to All. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the footer from your PowerPoint slides, making them appear cleaner and more focused for your audience. Remember, presentation aesthetics can significantly impact your viewers' engagement, so taking these steps can really enhance the effectiveness of your communication. And that's it, you're all set. Keep practicing these steps, and in no time, you'll be a PowerPoint expert. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this tutorial helpful.